Welcome class 8th. In this video I am going to explain chapter 25 of your general knowledge, that is sacred sites. Every corner of the world has some sacred site. These sacred sites around the world attract millions of pilgrims. Pilgrims are the people who travel to worship the god, जिनको हम हिंदी में तीर्थ यात्री बोलते हैं. Now here are some sacred sites given. First is Mecca in Saudi Arabia. You must have heard about it. It is a religious site located in the Sirat mountains of central Saudi Arabia, which is of great importance to the Muslims. The birthplace of Prophet Muhammad. It is home to the house of God believed to be built by Abraham and Ishmael. It is covered with an embroidered black and gold doors. So in this bache, first thing you have to learn is the place in which the importance place of the sacred site of Muslims is there. Okay, the place Saudi Arabia and who built it. Clear? So these are important questions. Second is Mount Fuji in Japan. It is named out after Fuji, the Buddhist fire goddess. The mountain is sacred in the Shinto religion. Shinto is a religion which is followed in Japan. Kono Hanasukua. It's a difficult name. It is a goddess which is worshipped in Japan. And it is the goddess of Mount Fuji. Every summer, thousands of tourists and pilgrims climb to the summit. Summit is the top of the mountain. Okay. Next is third, Lhasa, Tibet. Lhasa literally means the meaning of the word Lhasa is place of gods. It contains many culturally significant sites such as Potala Palace or the residence of Dalai Lama or Jokang Temple, which is most important temple in Tibet. So this is the place in which various important temples of Tibet are there, and it is the residence of Dalai Lama. Fourth is Bethlehem in Israel. The city is important to Christians. Bache, this you all know, Bethlehem aapne padha hoga, it's a birthplace of Jesus Christ. The city has significant for Jews as well. Jews are the people. ठीक है ना, एक community है Jews की. So Jews को भी बहुत important है ये city. For the Jews it is sacred because it is also renowned as the city of David. In Bible, David is described as the king of Israel. So he was worshipped by the people. Next is number 5, Jerusalem in Israel. It is considered to be the sacred site, holy site of Jews and Christians. It is one of the oldest cities in the world. The Temple Mount located on the old city of Jerusalem has been regarded as the holy site. A very old temple is located, so it is very famous. Sixth is Golden Temple, India. This is something that you all know. Also known as Sri Harmandir Sahib. It is located in the city of Amritsar, Punjab. It was built by Guru Arjan Dev. It has a gold foil covered sanctum center. Sanctum means pavitra sthan. Sanctum ka matlab hota hai pavitra sthan. Okay. Now moving on to part B, we have to answer the following questions. Number 1. Who built the Sarovar, man-made pool, in the Golden Temple, and when was it completed? It was built by Guru Arjan Dev Ji in 16th century. Second, name the second most populous city on Tibetan Plateau. The first most populated city is Xining, and the Lhasa is second most populous urban area. Third, what was designated a protected UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1994? ठीक है, 1994 में कौन सी यूनेस्को साइट, वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट बनी थी? आंसर इज Uluru Kata Tujta in Australia. This is the name of the World Heritage Site. This is a kind of big rock. Number 4. Name the highest mountain in Japan that we have just read, Mount Fuji. 5th, which city is considered as one of the oldest cities in the world? The answer is Athens, Greece. It is the oldest city in the world. 6th is where is Bethlehem located? That we have also done. Bethlehem is located in Palestine in Asia. It is a part of Asia only. Which testament identifies Bethlehem as the birth of Jesus Christ? Which testament? कैसे पता चलता है that what is the evidence? Okay, what is the evidence that Bethlehem is the birthplace of Jesus Christ? The answer is Gospels of Matthew and Luke. Gospels is some writing, some poems or some writing scripts that we have got of the poets Matthew and Luke. In those poems, it is mentioned that the Bethlehem is the birthplace of Jesus Christ. The most sacred place in Islam is Mecca and Medina in Saudi Arabia that you have just done.